What's up guys, welcome back to another video. It's with myself, Deck. Hope you all had a good Christmas and a good New Year. Today's video is going to be how I made a whopping 50p from Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so if you're new here, I post around promoting online, making money online, social media marketing, all of that good stuff. If that is something that interests you, don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that bell notification as well. And I'll be posting a lot more videos, so why not? So starting off, how did I make this massive 50p through affiliate marketing from Amazon? Well, it's only going to be short. I'm just going to explain exactly how I done it. So I made a review about the tripod that I'm using currently. So I've been using it for videography, you know, taking some shots, using it on there as well. And then I made a review about it. So the review explained everything that I thought about the product. Now, how YouTube works, it's a search engine. So if somebody searched for that exact product, then mine is going to come up in the list. Now, it's not going to be at the top because it's only just been put out there. But with the description, if you put in all the right information, it's hopefully going to increase over time and be promoted, getting them views up. Social media helps with this as well. So if you're posting social media, you're going to get more views. YouTube's going to think, I should be showing this to more people and suggested if they're looking at different reviews for different stuff. But other than that, I mean, it's you don't have to do it on YouTube. You can do a blog post, you can make a website, and you can do the exact same thing. Basically what you do, you create an account with Amazon Associates. So Amazon Associates, I'll put the link in the description for it, because if you're using a product, you could hopefully get paid, and it could be anything. As long as it's on Amazon, you could then make a video or a blog post about it and get paid for it. So this could be helpful for you if it's something, a hobby that you like and you think I could earn money off this. So this is the Amazon Associates page here. So you'll see here you've got, so this is my clicks today, clicks yesterday, 3 clicks. Now this is on the link, this isn't on YouTube, this is just on the link that people have followed through and gone into it. So you see here on the 17th, that's when somebody bought the product and had it shipped out. So it tells you all that as well. But if you was to search the product that you want to sell, so let's do it something totally different. So let's just put, I don't know, a light. So I'm using this for examples on if you were looking to sell something else, or so you got motion sensor light. So you'd get the link. Sorry, this is on this isn't screen recorded. I haven't got that set up yet. Hopefully we'll do soon, but get link. So you'll see there. Get the link from here, and it will give you all this information on here. Now you want to go over to, now text and image you could use for, so it will show up like this. So this will be great for a blog post, like a banner, and if somebody clicks on that and goes through, it basically tracks back to you and your account, and then you get paid for it. Now one thing to bear in mind as well with the tracking on there, so that's how you get paid. It only lasts for 24 hours. So if somebody came back in 48 hours and bought it, that's not going to then track back to you. So that's one thing to bear in mind. I know other affiliate network and network programs work a bit differently, but this is just the one with Amazon. So you'll see here, text only. This is what I use for my YouTube video. I then went down to shorten the link. So you shorten the link on here, and then I just copied and pasted that into this. So you'll see that's the link for the tripod video there. So when somebody bought it, it was only on about 100 views. I think it's now on about 180 views. And that's my only income from doing that, by posting it on here. So you'll see you've got the exact title, what it is. So it gets shown up a bit more within the search engine. You've got all the information there, you know, your social media tags as well. But like I said, you can do this with a blog. It's not just limited to YouTube. So sorry about the screen recording there. I need to get like a thing where I can view the whole screen and edit into the video as well. But yeah, I pretty much done all the editing for the video, embedded the link, and then it's just out there then. It's up to people to decide whether my review is good enough that they buy it, hopefully then, and then you get a small commission. So yeah, it's only 50p, but it all adds up, and I'm hoping to sell more expensive products like this one. So this is a new toy that I got for Christmas, so I will be probably making a review about this. This is £100, so the commission will be a bit higher for that if anybody decides to buy it. But the way I see it, you're giving value to somebody else, you're helping somebody else make the decision on whether or not to buy it, so why shouldn't you get something for it? But yeah, and that is exactly how I made the whopping 50p. So yeah, just to recap exactly what to do. So create an account with Amazon Associates, then get yourself, know what niche you want to go into, promote products around that, post it to social media, put it in YouTube, put it everywhere with the links, and then it's up to everybody else whether they buy it or not. But you got to be consistent. It's not just posting it and then you just leave it. It doesn't work like that. It does require work, but that's how anything comes to you. Anything good that comes to you, you got to work for. So don't think you're just going to post something and then nothing's going to happen, or you're going to just start receiving loads of money, because it's not how it works. It's a long game, which I've realised doing it. So if this video has been helpful, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you think, and tune in for the next one. Thank you.